Welcome to RPA Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about how to submit ideas in UiPath Automation Hub. When we are using Automation Hub as a platform for centralized repository, then for submitting idea will require the exact information or accurate informations to be submitted. So here we'll see how we can add or submit the ideas in UiPath Automation Hub so that our team member can proceed it further for approval and review. And if anyone wants to submit the feedback or add the feedback within that, then probably will expect the feedback from the end user. So let's take one example here. So if we are targeting to submit the feedback or submit the ideas, so here let me phrase it with one example. Let's say we wanted to create an automation pipeline where whenever employee will join, so employee will join, they have to complete the certifications. So these certifications are related with the joining formality. Let's say we are working into banking and finance domain. So whenever employee will join, they have to finish few of the certification, and these certification will be tracked. While tracking, we can add some UI where user has to fill up and upload the certification. Let's say I just wanted to say HIPAA certification is one, then compliance certification. After that, I wanted to list here the SICRA certification. And finally, I want to add one more certifications. Let's say professional guide. So let's say we are tracking for as a point of organizations, we are tracking these certifications should be mandatory for all the employees who will join it. And for those, I want the automation in place. So I'm submitting employee onboarding certification as the submitting idea. So here, few of the industries will most need requirement. So here I'm just submitting employee onboarding certification. Tracker. So automation ID will be automatically generated. Here I want to copy all those fields and paste it here. So here I will provide the descriptions. I want the system which track certification for newly joined candidate. So few of the mandatory or required certifications are required certification, HIPAA, second SICRA, third compliance, fourth professional. So these are the required. If employee is not certified with this, we want or maybe we can keep like if not certified, candidate will be not allowed to work on any client project. So this is the conditions. Other than that, we can also track any optional certification. So if they have added or included any value additions for the certifications, we can track it here. And this is not mandatory. This is not mandatory. So business area I want to target as a human resource. Let's go ahead with this. Recruit and onboard employees. Then onboard new hires and pain points. So what are the pain points we are trying to resolve? The pain points are client has set the mandatory requirement to have those certifications. Negative impact might be all the employees has to invest their time. So this is a negative impact. Assessments the decision have straightforward rules. Strongly agree. If we have any comments, we can add it here. The input data is accessed digitally. Strongly agree. The data is highly formatted. Strongly agree. This process has no expected change in the next 6 months. Maybe I will strongly disagree. So are any of these process documents available? Detailed work instructions. If we have any documents, we can add those documents. Standard operating procedure, task process map or flowcharts that we can attach it here. Other than that, assign process owner. So as a process owner, I want to keep my name here. Deepak Rai. Okay. Now submit for review. So here we have submitted those ideas, and once the idea will be fulfilled, it will see or showcase here. So you're all set. 84% of idea score. This is overall score indicating. Suitability is 100% and readiness is 60%. So we have just drafted, outlined or submitted the idea. So once I want to see the complete dashboards for idea automation pipeline, we have all those ideas listed here. So here we can see those ideas listed. We have submitted for review. Employee onboarding is listed here. So as of now, there's no business unit is involved, awaiting review and all. So this is how we can add or submit the idea in Automation Hub, and further process will be taken care by other team member for review. If they are okay to proceed, they will start building. This is the Automation Hub platform. So if we have a company size is big, let's say 5,000 employee, and you want to generate the automation, so generally this platform will help any organizations to take the ideas, and from their end the other team member on analysis team will analyze if that's suitable for the automation piece. They will take it ahead. The end user don't have to reach out to the different set of people for submitting the ideas, and once the idea is submitted and approved, the implementation team automatically start building the idea. So this is how we can utilize Automation Hub for taking references or ideas inside our organizations. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.